Oh, a 1989 Carrier Tech 2000 central air conditioner.
Yeah, the 19.
This is the one I got setting up back home. This is a couple years older. Already ice cold. Just when the last time I ran.
Where they
Show that. We got the whole squad around.
Tripod broke.
let's see, 1989.
Alright.
They're attacking it.